Welcome guys. So you need some flexi rods and you need a scarf. So I've already did this last night, put some moisturizer and I put some flexi rods in. So here is the takedown. I didn't use that much products at all. All I did was moisturize and seal my hair and I was good to go. So as you guys can see, this is what the results look like, and there is the perfect flexi rod curl. So as you guys can see, I'm rolling it down and I'm going to show you how I actually roll it down. I roll and then twist, roll and then twist. So that's how I get it to have that perfect spiral, and I just continue to do that throughout the rest of my hair. So you see I roll it down and then I twist it, and then I roll it down and then I twist it. So this is like a perfect part where I can split it without disturbing the curls and making it frizzy. So as I do that, I'm just gonna fluff it, and wherever I see there's a perfect shot for splitting, I'm just gonna do that so that the hair doesn't get frizzy but it still looks decent. So again, here I am doing the front. I rolled it down, twist it, and twist it again. Perfect. So I hope that you guys enjoy this little hairstyle right here. You can try it, look a little bit cute. I know we're quarantined, but this is easy, it's simple, and it's perfect for you know, those who are working at home and have to do video conferences via Zoom or other additional conference apps. So I hope that you guys enjoy. Leave a comment down below. What do you think? Let me know if you try this hairstyle. Again, you don't need that much ingredients for your hair, just a moisturizer or hair foam or maybe some gel and you're good to go.